Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a makeup look that I've been wearing basically almost any time I've been doing my makeup lately. Okay, so here I am barefaced, and at first I'm starting off with my H2O Oasis Hydrating Treatment Moisturizer. I say this is my winter makeup look because I use a lot of moisturizing products before I apply my makeup, which during other seasons I don't use. And next I'm using the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Oh my god, that's a long title, but this is like basically exactly what it says. It's a moisturizer and a primer all in one. But I still go in with my Holy Grail Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser because I don't feel like that moisturizing primer fills in my pores, and this primer helps to really blur them out. And the foundation that I've been using every day is my LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Honey. And here I'm just putting this on an e.l.f. brush and buffing this into my skin. And next up we have my Holy Grail Drugstore Concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. I am using the shade Sand, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes just to brighten them up. I feel like they've been looking a little dull lately. And I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild Contour and Highlight palette. I'm just going to use the banana shade to set my under eye concealer. Now I actually ran out of my usual brow pencil, so this one is one from LA Colors that I found, and it's just in like a dark brown shade, and I'm just going to fill in the bottom of my brows, fix the shape a little, and just fill in any sparse areas. And for some bronzing and blush today, I actually found this in my makeup drawer, and it's like an old favorite of mine. It's the e.l.f. Cosmetics like blush and bronzer duos. And I'm not sure exactly which shade this is in, but I'll leave it in the description bar below. And here I'm just bronzing up my face and adding some blush for a little bit of color. And next up for my highlighter, I've been using Glow Milk from the Beauty Crop. I have a code for you guys. It's Primpandprimebeauty. You'll save 10% on your purchase if you choose to use it. And I do make a small commission if you do make a purchase using my code. So if you do, then thank you in advance. And if not, then it's totally fine. You can use whatever link that you want. So here I'm just applying it with the applicator, blending it out with the e.l.f. highlighting sponge, and then further blending out with my finger. And another product from the Beauty Crop that I've been literally using every day, like I'm obsessed with it, is the Express to Yourself eyeshadow palette. I'll leave the link to the review and tutorial that I did in the description bar below. So here I'm just using two colors. I'm going to list the colors below. I don't have the palette with me right now, but I'm just working the caramel shade into my crease and like all over the lid, and then I go in with a more reddish brown tone shade, and I put that all over the lid and then on my lower lash line. And the mascara I chose to use is the False Lashes Mascara by Essence Cosmetics. And I've been applying glosses because my lips have been super dry and chapped from this winter weather and all the dry heat in the house. So here I'm just applying the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Tres Leches, and then e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Plumping Gloss in Mocha Twist. And here is the final result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I'll Until my next video, I'll see you later.